You may not be familiar with some terms you will come across in our document package. We have put together a guide for the most common questions. What is a will, or testament? A will or testament is a legal document that expresses a person's wishes as to how their property is to be distributed after their death. What is an executor? An executor is a person who administers a person's estate upon their death. The primary duty is to carry out the wishes of the deceased person based on instructions spelled out in their will. Under most circumstances, the sequential persons, 3 is best, would be the same for the will and the powers of attorney, executor, agent, etc. What is a beneficiary? A beneficiary is a person or organization that you designate to have your property, possessions and/or rights/duties distributed to. What is a revocable transfer on death deed? Texas has a law called a revocable transfer on death deed or a beneficiary deed, which names a particular beneficiary, or beneficiaries, who or which automatically receive ownership of real property after the original owner dies, subject only to a new deed. What is a statutory durable power of attorney? Statutory durable power of attorney, in Texas, this document can be used to designate another person, usually called to represent your monetary interests and act on your behalf. It can be utilized even if you become in some way incapacitated. What is the appointment of disposition of remains? Appointment for disposition of remains allows you to pick your own agent, for example, a single sibling or a parent, even if your spouse would otherwise have priority. What is the medical power of attorney? Gives the person you name as your agent the authority to make any and all health care decisions for you in accordance with your wishes, including your religious and moral beliefs, when you are no longer capable of making them yourself. What is a medical directive, living will? Is an advance directive that tells your family, friends, and healthcare professionals the care you would like to have if you become unable to make medical decisions. What is the out-of-hospital do not resuscitate, DNR? The out-of-hospital do not resuscitate, DNR, order provides you with the right to withhold or withdraw cardiopulmonary resuscitation, CPR, or other treatments. What is a HIPAA release? A medical release form is a document that gives healthcare professionals permission to share patient medical information with other parties. When you die without a will in Texas, you are said to have died intestate and your estate will be distributed according to the Texas Estates Code, which distinguishes between separate and community property. If you don't have a will, a judge, not you, or your loved ones will decide who gets your possessions and custody of your minor children. Contact us at MahoneyLawTexas.com for more information.